Hi everyone, thanks for being here. My name is Emilio Bernabei. I'm the CEO of Leankor. And Leankor is the only customer-centric enterprise work management system here at Dreamforce you'll see. Here at Dreamforce we're actually going to be presenting, three of our customers are presenting how Leankor is used on a Salesforce platform. And I'm going to talk a little bit about those three use cases here to give you an idea of how they're leveraging Leankor. But first, I'm going to kind of define what we're talking about by enterprise work management, or customer-centric enterprise work management. So, Salesforce gives you three core things that are critical to managing work across your enterprise. Automation with Process Builder and Flow Designer to take business events and automate data coming in and out, and automate people understanding what work is happening in the enterprise. Collaboration from Chatter and Quip to allow for human beings to actually collaborate on work, and of course Einstein Analytics that takes all the data from all that work management going on and makes sense of it for executives and project leaders. And what Salesforce has done is said, okay, now we're going to add on configure price quote, so at the front end of your sales cycle, manufacturers of complex products can bundle in services, products, upsell things, and easily create that solution set for their customers. But what happens on the product delivery? What if your delivery takes 8 weeks and requires 6 or 7 different teams in your global enterprise to actually collaborate together? How does that work? It's a gap in the overall platform. And secondly, you've got Field Service Lightning on the back end where you're servicing all the products you might have installed, whether it be expensive chillers or medical devices in the field. Well, you can use FSL to schedule different teams in the field, but what if those maintenance projects take, let's say, 2 or 3 weeks and are very complex, and require 6 or 7 different teams to collaborate, almost like a mini project? How do you standardize that? And so what Leankor does is snap on top, and you don't have to have CPQ and FSL, but if you do, we can work with those products, with the platform, and provide the first customer-centric enterprise work management system. It has project management, workflow management, visual Kanban, Gantt charts, analytics for your projects, everything, templates, so you can actually clone templates and quickly go from CPQ to in the field delivering your products to your customers. And of course, with Community Cloud, you can now integrate your supply chain and your channel partners with your visual customer delivery projects all on the platform, all native. And so some of our customers, like Sunpower, delivers faster to their customers solar panels to their customers like Apple. Molecular Devices, part of the $1 billion Danaher, they can deliver faster their complex medical device equipment to labs like at the CDC. And our customer Solus helps companies like Exactly deliver concierge networking solutions. That's what Solus does. And these three customers of Leankor will be talking here at the show about more specifics, but I'll give you kind of a quick overview of what they're doing. So Molecular Devices, they want to shorten their actual order-to-cash cycle. They have very complex, as you can see here in the picture, very, very complex equipment, $1 million equipment in labs. For them to deliver from configure price quote, and now they're delivering to the field their products, is a mini project. And multiply that by 200 globally, and you begin to see how on the Salesforce platform, you can't just roll your own custom objects and manage things hit or skidder. You need a professional enterprise class work management system. And so here's some other solutions they deliver, and they use Leankor to help coordinate all the different resources in their company in the field. Scientists have to actually fly out and configure these products in the field. It's not a very simple, I sold you an Adidas or a Nike running shoe and boom, off you go. This is very complex industrial type equipment. And so the problem they have, so being part of the Danaher business system, a very large corporation, they have what's called a Kaizen or Kanban type, visual type tools, dry erase whiteboards with sticky notes, different dry erase whiteboards with different tool sets. They like to visualize their work using the Danaher business system. And so their problem was, when you have global teams all over the world, and you have people trained in Kaizen and trained in Lean Six Sigma, how they use the Salesforce platform natively to manage their customer delivery more effectively. And they use Leankor to do that. And they, at all the while that they're managing their work visually, they're actually managing the resources and understanding the full capacity planning across their enterprise. So Leankor Edge is you can have these teams that might want to use Lean Six Sigma techniques with visualizing work as cards on Kanban boards, visualizing the flow of work. But those teams can work with other teams that might use, let's say, waterfall techniques like Gantt charts. Leankor is fully native on the Salesforce platform and provides everything you need for your PMI project management experts and your Lean Six Sigma experts to work cohesively in one unified team to deliver products to your customers. Here's another example. Solus Network Solutions provides concierge service to very, very large corporations. And today, Mike Oliver, the president, will be speaking, tomorrow, Wednesday, at 1 p.m. tomorrow, here in this theater, about how he uses Leankor to provide that. Molecular Devices will be presenting later today in the same spot this afternoon to give you a bit more information about how exactly they're using Leankor native on the Salesforce platform to provide better project delivery for their customers. So, again, for Solus, it was very natural to choose the Salesforce platform to really unify all their customer needs on one platform. But the issue they had was they wanted a single place to manage 200 concurrent projects, all their customers across the U.S. And they needed to deliver faster for their customers. So they used Leankor, and again, that visual Kanban you saw, and Leankor's integrated project management system to really increase their customer satisfaction, decrease their sales cycle and their delivery cycle so they can invoice faster. So all of a sudden they had a lot more free-flowing cash flow in their business because they're able to go from quoting to the delivery a lot quicker. So here's some quotes from folks at Solus. They actually said to the president, if you ever get rid of Leankor on the Salesforce platform, we're done. Because right now, our whole business is running on the Salesforce platform, running on Leankor, and operating 200 plus concurrent projects and delivering to their customers. It becomes a must-have platform for Solus Network Solutions. And last but not least, Sunpower, one of the world's largest, if not the largest, solar panel manufacturer. They wanted to really find a single point of the truth on their enterprise work management issues. And Eric Potts, the VP of Customer Operations, will be discussing today at 3:30 in Expo Industry Theater how Sunpower is actually providing the solution. Actually, isn't it tomorrow? It's tomorrow, sorry. Sunpower is tomorrow. Molecular Devices is today. That's a misprint. So, if you don't know Sunpower, they provide solutions on rooftops. They provide solar solutions in massive solar power plants, in massive fields. They provide solutions even in parking lots. When they deliver a customer these products and these solutions, they include IoT, they include service maintenance, and a project to deliver a solar panel array takes weeks, if not months. And so they took a journey with Leankor, and before Leankor, they had a very technical problem. They might use Skype for collaboration, they might use Microsoft Project in one team, in a different team in a different city, they might be using Oracle P6, all these different tool sets. So the experts wanted expert tools, and the business people wanted very simple tools like a very simple Kanban. How do you unite those all in one cohesive enterprise work management system? Leankor did that for them. So afterwards, they really streamlined. All the different teams are now natively working on the Salesforce platform. Expert project managers can use Leankor tools natively on the platform. The different teams, from lawyers to HR to different teams, can actually use simpler constructs like Kanban and whatnot, but they're all tied together in one cohesive system. So that their vision over the next few years is to continue to deploy Leankor across their global enterprise and keep that one common version of the truth of their customer, from all the way from configure price quote to delivery of these solar power plants to maintain those over time, over many, many years as a turnkey solution for their customers. So Leankor has a lot of premier customers, including Johnson & Johnson, Verizon, Sunpower, as I mentioned, Sanofi Pasteur, one of the largest biotech companies in the world. All these companies are using both the power of Salesforce and Leankor together to deliver their customer projects where they're more complex. They're required to really integrate different teams, different ways of working, from flow-based Kanban all the way through to project management on Gantt charts, all unified on one single platform. So again, Salesforce utilizes the base platform of Salesforce. Leankor is native on the platform. It can integrate with CPQ, Salesforce CPQ, and Salesforce Field Service Lightning to really integrate the whole end-to-end customer care process in your company and provide that customer-centric enterprise work management for your customers. And with Community Cloud again, you can integrate your supply chain and your channel partners and install partners all in one cohesive platform, which really compresses your quote-to-cash cycle and allows you to actually invoice your customers a lot faster, creating more free-flowing cash flow. So that's what we call customer-centric enterprise work management. It's not disconnected from the customer. All the work across your global organization is integrated into one cohesive flow and delivery vehicle for your company. Thanks a lot. Again, my name is Emilio Bernabei. I'm the CEO, and if you are scanned, you'll get entered into our draw for a drone. Don't miss that. Otherwise, I'll be up here for any questions, and thank you very much.